Okay, now that I'm in Horizon Worlds, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search the public assets for parts-based animation system. And you can see this is the asset that I created that you can just drag into your world. And what that's going to do is it's just going to bootstrap your world with the core script required to get this system working. Now that that's done, we can go back into our assets here and search for our robot stuff that we made. And I'm just going to start dragging all of these pieces into the world real quick. Okay. Now that that's done, let's make sure that we got all of our pieces here. We've got both legs, both arms. It looks like we're good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift select all of these to multi-edit. And I'm going to change the motion to animated. And then because this is a character that is likely going to move in the world, I'm going to turn off include in bakes for all of these. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new empty object. This is going to be our actual character. And I'll just name this bake, for example. And I'm going to start assembling this character. I'm going to start with the body and just drag this into here. And then I'm going to grab the head and make that a child of the body, as well as both of the arms. And then the legs, remember, are not children of the body, but they'll just go on here just like this. Okay, so notice that all of these parts are just kind of strewn about. If you want to fix that, one of the things that you can do is just select these top level ones and then set the position equal to 0, 0, 0 to kind of put them in the same place. You might have to do this multiple times. Pop open this. And then do the same thing for these internal ones because these positions are all relative. And then I'm going to select one of these and press F just to go to this character. Now you can see that the robot isn't assembled how we'd expect. If you wanted to, you could go into Blender and look at those positions and then move these objects to where they would need to be. But you don't need to do that. The animation script will make sure that this guy is assembled at runtime in the way that he needs to be. But it's probably a good idea to at least zero out his transformations so that he's not all over the place, right? So I'm going to go to this PP object and I'm going to attach a script. And we'll make a new script here and we'll just call this PP. And in the next video, I'll show you what we need to add scripting-wise to get this guy to start moving.